My friends always told me, when they put things on the car seat, it easily tumbles down the floor when braking. Or the wet umbrellas can only be thrown in the car trunk, and they keep rolling around, make the car become a mess. So I introduced them this car umbrella and bag hanger 2-in-1. It's very easy to install. What you need to do is hang the hook on the car headrest pole, and you can choose back seat or front seat to hang the hook based on your need. With this item, everything is kept in place. Make your car cleaner and tidier. We also provide another kind of hook, using the tool to separate the original hook and add a hole with another hook. Press it to fix, then another kind of hanger will appear. Don't look down upon this small item, it really can solve your problem. And if you are interested in it, just feel free to contact us. Bye!